this image for it to be able to act as if it's moving, I can animate these images. Hello guys, here are the few things you need to know about Meta's new AI, Meta.ai. This incorporates both Instagram, Facebook, WhatsApp, Messenger. It incorporates all Meta family applications. So before we dive into it, I need to let you know that this, for some reasons, is not working in part of UK. It's not working in part of Europe. So if you're in Europe and if you're in UK and you want to access Meta.ai for now, I will advise you to use VPN. My friend who is in UK, it's currently accessing it with VPN, but I am in Africa, so I can actually access that. So the first thing I want you to do is type meta.ai on your browser and it will open this particular AI for you. Look at this place, you will see login with Facebook. So the first thing I noticed here is that you can use Meta even without logging into Facebook. So it's not a must that you need to log into Facebook for you to be able to use Meta.ai. The only difference between logging in and logging out is that if you log in, you can be able to save your conversation, just like chatgpt, just like Gemini. You can be able to save your conversations. Another difference is that if you click on imagine, you cannot be able to imagine a picture, you cannot be able to imagine an image if you are not logged in. If you watch, look, this is deactivated because I am not logged in. For example, if you just want to have a conversation, see, so we are already having a conversation, right? Okay, good. But for this tutorial, I'm going to actually log in. When I log in, for me to show you how, I'm going to log in for me to show you how this Meta.ai works. So I'll just click on login. So I've been able to log in. Look, I've been able to log in my account. So the first thing you should notice here is there are two main parts of Meta.ai. The new conversation, which is like where we are right now. You have ideas, writing, form, support, learn, and imagine. Then you have the imagine itself. This particular one deals with write up. For example, write me a blog post for academic technology that sells laptops. Or just click enter, or you can use this button. This is it. So as you can see, it has generated this blog post for me. One thing you should take note of is how it formatted this, and at the end of the day, even give us the contact, the phone number, email address, and the rest of them for this academic. And look at the way it formatted it so that it can be humanly readable. Another thing I want you to take note of is I can click bad response. That means I will feed this AI I'll feed this AI an idea that this response is not good enough, or I can just click on good response, that is like. So it will tell the AI that this response is good enough. Another thing I can do is I can easily copy to clipboard this content, assuming I want to send a proposal or something. I'm writing a document, I don't need to come and start going through this process. I'll just come to this place and click copy. Once I click copy, I'll open a Word document and I'll paste it there. Look at the way it formatted the document for me, and this is something I really like. Then you should also notice that I can continue this conversation, right? I can just come to 6 grams of food and say, give me any recent addition for a class of food called protein, right? Or just say continue. So automatically it searches the internet and give me the recent additions to the protein class of food. What is the relationship between AI and six classes and food? So what we are doing is we are trying to mess with meta.ai so that you see how far it can go. So this is the way AI is related to food according to meta.ai. So this is what I'm trying to get. Here are some ways AI is related to food: automation, food safety, food waste reduction. So look at the way it formatted it, and it still give you that like and bad response and copy. This time around it gave you what to call view source, so you can just click on view source and it will pop out the place where it generated this content from. And what you can do is to click on it. Once you click on it, it will open that link for you, right? It will open that link for you. So what it's doing here is just giving you a source. Look, this one, it actually opened a Google link for you, right? This is the source, and this is like a search button for Google link for the keyword that you asked. So you can actually imagine images, for example, from this place: two slots, dozen, a wooden puzzle, a poster film called a Cafe Paris, a cotton candy storm cloud. For example, let's imagine this. It's going to generate 4 images for you. It's going to generate 4 images for you. Look at beautiful banner or advertisement style that it actually generated for you. If you want, you can just click on it and view it. You can download it if you want. Another thing I noticed is, look at this watermark by the left here. Look at this watermark. I don't know exactly what it is and how you can remove it, but it's there, and you can view these pictures. Look, you can view these pictures, right? All of them together. Look. So if you notice that there is a picture that is harmful, or you don't like the context, or you don't like the picture, probably because it's not passing the right information or it's harmful, look at these 3 dots here. Just click on it. When you click on it, you will see where it says report harmful content, and this is a way to give them very good feedback. You can also download these images if you want to download them. You can also edit these images if you want to edit them. You just say what I want to change. So I will show you some other way to generate more of these images. For example, let me try to generate a very beautiful car in a good environment. So let me see. So these images are quite beautiful. You see the way it is. This is far better than the other one. Look at very beautiful Ferrari car in a very good background. So it's you that will determine exactly what you want to generate using this meta.ai. And like I said, there's a download button here, and you can also animate it. This is animate button, so you can also animate these images. Can you see? So I can now animate this image for it to be able to act as if it's moving. I can animate these images. So with this, I think I will leave you to go and check out meta.ai. This new AI has been making waves. I will allow you to go and check it out. Please drop comment on the comment section for me. And if you like this video, please do well to subscribe to our channel.